Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Vercel account. I'll be doing this on the web dashboard. Head to vercel.com and log in. Click on your avatar in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Account Settings. The Account Settings page will open showing all your account management options. Scroll down to find the Delete Account section. You'll see a button that says Delete Personal Account. Click it. A warning message will appear explaining that deletion is permanent and cannot be undone, and that all your projects and deployments will be permanently deleted. Once you've reviewed the warning, confirm your intention to delete the account. Vercel will send a deletion confirmation email to your registered email address. Open your email inbox and click the verification link in the confirmation email from Vercel. This is the final step that completes the deletion process. A couple of things to keep in mind. If you don't click the verification link fairly quickly, the token can expire. If that happens, you might see an awaiting confirmation status in your dashboard, and you'll need to restart the process. Also, once deletion is confirmed, it's permanent. All your projects, deployments, and account data are gone for good and cannot be recovered. Thanks for watching.